What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1965 C10 pickup. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find, chips, scratches, rust spots, any kind of dents. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We do this on all of our vehicles. You can check out a full list of our inventory at maplemotors.com. That website also has financing information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and yes, shipping. We can ship these vehicles all over the US. I do post videos almost every single day. We also do test drives. I was in the middle of a test drive and I stopped in this parking lot to do this walk around. So definitely join our YouTube page, hit subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of these American classics. We're going to start up here in the front. Does have a believed to be 350 under the hood. No power steering on this one. Front disc brakes. It does run and drive great. Definitely check out that test drive video. We're going to start up here in the front. I notice the front bumper does have its flaws. It's got some chips and some scratches in it. It's not perfect. The grille looks like it's in great shape, but it's not perfect either. You see it's a little edgy around the headlights. Some chips under the hood where the hood was resting. I will be putting that hood down as well towards the end of the video after I start it up. A bit of red showing through around the front window. Some blemishes in the paint. There's some bubbles popping up at the bottom of the fender here. Nice set of Riddler wheels. Decent set of tires. Just scratch here. The bottom of the door, you can see it's got a crack in the paint. Some oxidation on the door handles. More blemishes. See the scratch right there. Try not to miss anything here. These old trucks tend to get a lot of use, a lot of chips and scratches. They did a custom back end here. I think it's all LED from what they told me. That's what they said, but it looks like a regular bulb in there. Let me look in this side. Yeah, I think that's just regular bulbs in there. Non-LED. A little dent in the back here. Some paint runs. That looks like touch-up paint. Some dent on the tailgate there. Light scratches. Lots of truck use here. It's a rubberized magnet. It won't hurt anything. I love these wooden beds. Yeah, the truck used to be red. See a lot of that popping through in the bed here. Looks like a little spot there in the back. A couple more paint blemishes. Little scratches. There's one right here as well. Bottom of this door. There's some paint popping off. Roof's in good shape, great shape actually. Looks nice and clean. There's a little dent in the middle, it seems like. I don't know if y'all can see that from here. Bubbles in the same spot as the passenger side. All right, we've made it around the truck. We'll go ahead and check the interior out and then we'll start it up. Check up under the door here. See some chips and scratches, a little rust popping through. Bench seat in this one. Go ahead and take the poll. Do you think the horn works? We'll be going over some other stuff on the interior first. B&M shifter. The gas tank is completely full. I'm not 100% sure if the gas gauge works. It didn't take very much at the gas station to fill it up. Showing 70,000 miles. I can't stand behind that because it is a 65 model. Gauges on the dash that work. The battery gauge was coming up. We do have another one under the dash over here that's not hooked up. The temp gauge on the dash is not hooked up, as well as the oil pressure. With that being said, we do have these gauges over here showing the oil pressure at idle. Rev it up, goes to about 60. Engine temp's about 180. Radio did not cut on. Windshield wipers do cut on. Crazy fast. Horn. Ready? It does work. Motor's nice and quiet. Does need a fan shroud. Go ahead and shut the hood down. Comes down nice and easy. Right here on the nose, little scratch, chip in the paint. Same here. Right up in the middle. A lot of little scratches and chips on this truck. Hood lines up nice. We'll be giving y'all some undercarriage shots here. We're gonna start off in the back, go around to the sides, try to give you a good idea what it looks like up underneath. Alright guys, I noticed the overflow, there's no overflow jug on this truck, and the guy that does our fluids always tops off the radiator, so it spit out a little bit from sitting here running where it doesn't have the overflow jug. It's not leaking or anything like that, just letting that be known. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, finance information. We also have parts and accessories on that website, as well as shipping. We can ship these cars pretty much anywhere in the US. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. I post videos almost every single day. We're gonna get back to the test drive, which you can locate the last 30 seconds of this video. Or you can just type in the year, model, and Maple Motors and find any of our cars on YouTube here. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.